up? My name is Nayeli. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite vegan recipes, either for lunch or dinner. These recipes are super quick and easy, because I don't know about you, but I ain't got no time for that. When I'm cooking, I want to spend the least amount of time in the kitchen, as well as I don't like to use a lot of ingredients. Me personally, I just feel way better when I eat this type of food. I feel more light, I feel more healthy, and I feel more confident about myself. And hopefully you'll get some inspiration to make these at home too. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing on the list is couscous, tofu, and veggies. Very simple. The first thing I did is I just put some tofu on the pan and you start heating that up. I chose just frozen veggies, very simple. You could either microwave it or put it in the pan. I added some couscous in there, topped it with the tofu, and put just a little bit of extra veggies on there. I added tomato and avocado. And you put a salad on the side, and guys, this is a very, very nutritious meal. And you could also meal prep it to go to work the next day, or if you go to school, you could do that too. Really good. Second is vegetarian stir fry. Again, very, very simple. All you have to do is you cook some rice and you add vegetable broth. This is a great substitute for chicken broth. And you put in your favorite veggies. In this case, I added zucchini and tomato. I put it in with some onions. I seasoned it with a bit of Couscous sauce. Then I added the tomatoes, and I added some mushrooms. Honestly guys, mushrooms are my favorite, as well as some spinach. I like it because it adds consistency and it gets your veggies in. Next I just put any seasoning I want. In this case I just put some salad seasoning and salt and pepper, and there you go. Then you add it to your rice and it gives you a really balanced meal. It fills you up and it's great if you want a quick way to meal prep for the next day. Third is healthy pasta. This is one of my favorites, and the reason why I say it's healthy is because I like to add a lot of veggies in my pasta, as well as I like to use this organic strained tomato sauce. Guys, I really, really recommend it because it lasts a long time and doesn't have as many processed ingredients as other types of sauces, including bolognese sauce and alfredo. So there you go guys, a delicious, quick and easy, nutritional pasta, great for meal prepping and great for eating at home. Next is the avocado toast and soup. All I did is I grabbed any soup. This one was a potato soup, and I heated up on the stove. It's really good for winter because it keeps you nice and warm, and it's also very healthy. And then I used some vegan cheese, some spinach, and I also cut up some avocados. Make sure you buy 100% whole wheat bread. It's a bit better for digestion. And I prepared this in a sandwich and added some seasoning. And there you go. If you add the soup in it, it's really, really good and filling. And then I added this green chai tea. And there you go. That's your other lunch. It's really, really good. Next we have rice and veggies. It's also very simple. You just get some broccoli and some, corn frozen, anything you like. You make the rice, and I like to honestly just put everything in the microwave. It's faster. This is for all those busy moms out there, or like people who don't like to cook. The microwave is a great and that's it. You add the rice to it, and then you add whatever seasoning you want. In this case I have just pepper, lemon, and some salt. You could also add some vinegar in there, just like I chose. and honestly, it's very, very simple, but very, very good. Next on the list is one of my favorites. It's a Mexican salad. So all you need is tomato, avocado, some beans, and some corn. You mix it all up. The beans are honestly what makes this really, really good because it adds extra protein or extra fiber, whatever. And guys, it's really good, really, really good. Add some vinegar, salt, and lemon, and you have yourselves a wonderful salad. It's honestly glorifying. It was so good, I promise you. The last on my list is the delicious tofu sandwich. It's also one of my favorites, and I really want to talk about this tofu burger that I found. It is honestly so good, and it's a great substitute for meat. This, I looked at the ingredients, and honestly it doesn't have a lot of processed foods or anything, so I really recommend it. So all I did honestly is I made it into a sandwich. I put whole wheat bread and some Dijon mustard. This is honestly the best in the whole wide world. Please try it. Let me know if you try it in the comments below because this one is so good. So guys, that is it for the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It makes me motivated to create more content like this for you. If you want to keep following up, please hit that subscribe button right there. It would mean a lot to me as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!